it rain. Let it rain. Help me, somebody say it tonight. Open the floodgates of heaven. Lord, let it rain.
Patiently, many months passed.
Well, what did you see? What did you see?
Same as always. Nothing but sea.
We're never going to get off this boat. How are we even going to know if the land is dry?
How are we even gonna know if we're anywhere near land?
This is hopeless.
Now what kind of talk is that? Are you the same men who helped me build God's Ark? Hasn't he looked out for us this long?
Of course, Father is right. But can we at least try to find out if there's any dry land?
This got Noah thinking. Finally, he got an idea.